my power, scorpion, I am reborn. Passion is fire burning endlessly with mysterious eyes. I can't be decoded. The strength I carry isn't easy to bear, but those who dare to love me will find themselves there. Scorpion in my heart, intensity is my reason. In the darkness I find the light. I am the secret that the soul desires. Determination that cuts like a blade. My soul is deep where fear spreads, but I am loyal to those who deserve. And in adversity my courage blooms. There's pain on my path, but I don't give up. I rise from the